Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating strings, and in today's class we'll learn about how to replace a part of a string. Java provides a convenient method to do the same. Now, one thing you might have noticed even in the previous class is that Java's function on related to string applies directly on the string itself. In almost all the cases, you never say string dot some method name and then you pass a parameter. You don't do this. What you do is you directly use the string variable like a, assuming a is a string variable, dot and some function and then a parenthesis. Therefore, parenthesis may or may not take any input, depends on the function name, but the function applies directly on the variable of type string. You don't use math dot cost like that, right? So that is one thing, important thing to remember. Now, having said that, in many cases, you want to replace a part of a string with another string. For example, take here, notice here that I wrote a string A and I say, I am new to coding. I enjoy learning Python. Oops, I really don't mean to say Python here. It's a Java class. I actually wanted to write Java. But now, I want to change this, but I have already given the input. In the code, if I want to replace this word Python with the word Java, all I have to do is I say a, which is my string, dot replace method, and I want to replace x with y. So the replace method takes two parameters. It says x comma y, where x is what to replace and with what you want to replace it, your source and your target. I want to replace Python with Java. Both are strings, so both are under double quotes, and you want to replace this. Now, one interesting part is when it replaces, it does not change the original string A itself. I'm saying take the content of A, replace it, and move whatever is the result, store it in a variable called B. And that is what is happening. Now, what happens if I want to take string A, replace Python with Java, and store the value back to the string A itself? In that case, all you have to do is to say A equal to A dot replace, and then you will say replace Python double quote Python with double quote Java. This way you are taking a value of A, asking Java to use replace function where find Python, replace with Java, and the result you are storing it back again in variable A. And that way you're overriding the value of whatever it was there. That's all in today's class. Again, replace is a powerful function, very simple to use. All you have to do is to remember the syntax and just use it. Go ahead and solve the quiz. You will have some good practice there. And then down the line, when you have a full length test, you will do a lot of practice. You will be writing a lot of code there, because learning Java is all about practicing, writing a lot of code. And the only way to do is to practice, practice, and practice. I'll see you guys again in the next class.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.